Today we will see the dumping syndrome. What is the dumping syndrome? Dumping syndrome is actually if you are eating the sugar rich diet. Okay, so it moves fastly from stomach to small intestine, that is the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. Okay, so the food rich in the sugar, it moves quickly from the stomach to the small intestine, first part of the small intestine, that is the duodenum. So it has the two types. Okay, and before moving on to the two types, we must know why this is happening. This is happening due to the pyloric sphincter. Okay, why it is happening? It is happening due to the insufficiently functioning pyloric sphincter. Okay, insufficient functioning of pyloric sphincter. Okay, and it has a two forms. First form is early dumping syndrome, and the second form is the late dumping syndrome. Okay, so what is the early dumping syndrome? Occurs 10 to 30 minutes after meal, and late dumping syndrome occurs 2 to 3 hours after meal. अर्ली इज अकरिंग 10 to 30 मिनट्स आफ्टर मील, 10 से 30 मिनट के बाद ही हो जाएगा एम्प्टी, और लेट में क्या होता है 2-3 घंटे बाद खाने के एम्प्टी होगा. ओके, सो अर्ली में क्या हो रहा है कि एकदम से जो खाना है आपका वो स्टमक से स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के फर्स्ट पार्ट ड्यूडेनम में जा रहा है. सो देयर इज कॉजिंग द डिस्टेंशन ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइनल ल्यूमन. ओके, एंड इन द लेट what is happening, suddenly the food rich in the sugar is going into the duodenum and it raises the blood glucose level. Okay, suddenly food is going into duodenum and raising blood sugar levels. Okay, and it is going to release of the insulin by the pancreas. Okay, and after the release of the insulin by the pancreas, there will be the rapid drop in the blood sugar levels. Rapid drop in blood sugar levels, and finally you will see that there will be the hypoglycemia. Okay, this is about the dumping syndrome, all about the dumping syndrome. Okay, so that's all for the today's video.